In Custom Tools 2023, we now support the part configuration setting for part numbering display options. Looking at the SOLIDWORKS BOM, we can see 3 items having different names in part number. To explain this, I need to show the setting first, and how it works in Custom Tools 2022. If I look at the C configuration, SOLIDWORKS shows that a custom name is used, linked to a custom property. Looking at the configuration properties, we can see the 3 options available for displaying the part number in bill of materials. This part uses all 3 so we can show the differences. The document name, which is default setting in SOLIDWORKS, corresponding to the file name. The configuration name, which is obviously the configuration name in use. And a user-specified name, which can be anything you type or linked to a custom property using the $PIP style. SOLIDWORKS file properties is actually not showing this correctly, but we have all the data available in Custom Tools. Here I'll cycle through the 3 configurations so you can see the properties update accordingly. The A, the B, and the C. In Custom Tools Export Options page, we can see that part number is used. Running the export will show how the user-specified name will look using Custom Tools 2022 and earlier versions. It is quite clear we do not support this setting, as we output the link and not the value. I'll now do the same using Custom Tools 2023 version. Here we can see the link is evaluated and the correct part number is used in the export. The same functionality is also available in the file conversion options. I run the print and convert and then select the conversion rule. From here I'll do the advanced edit to open the conversion settings directly. You can see that we use part number in our target file name structure. This new blob is added to the flyout menu for easy use. Running the conversion and we get a warning that we are processing the same file in different configurations and suggesting to use configuration name in the conversion. But in this case, we use the part number, which we have assured is unique, and we will get the result as expected. This and many other enhancements are available to you in Custom Tools 2023. Thank you for watching.
We are in the life-saving business. We kill your routines before they kill you.